Hi guys, Postbag time, ordered on eBay, delivered by Amazon. Always makes you a little bit suspicious. So we'll open it on camera, just in case. Okay, that is what I was looking for. Antex 25 watt. We're all out of focus. What is that? Oh, come on. Well, we'll just do that bit again. I have just opened it, but then I noticed the camera had gone out of focus. I had no idea what was going on there. But it has got the right item inside. That's better. I can actually see what I'm looking at. I have no idea why it went out of focus. Obviously, I'll edit that bit out. Yes, Antex 25 watt soldering iron. This is to replace that one over there where the element had died. Well, when I ordered this, I also ordered a replacement element, and the replacement element arrived quicker. So that one is now working absolutely fine. But I wanted a second one anyway, just in case I have the same problem, because these are my favourite soldering irons. Been using them for many years now. I know lots of people prefer to have a soldering station where you can play around with the temperatures, but I like the simplicity of these. That just fell out of the box. That's a little stand for it. As you can see over there, I've got a nice little spring holder for it, which is a little bit more secure than one of these. $230 25 watts. That bit there is identical to the one that I had on my original Antex soldering iron that died, which I replaced with that one, which has a slightly different bit on it. I suppose I'll get it over so I can show you. Right, here we go. Another one of Grandad's long rambling stories. That's the one I used to have. So that one died about, I don't know, 5 years ago. And you'll see that bit on there looks similar to that bit on there, although I must admit this one's a bit bigger. Oh yeah, because this one's an 18 watt. The new one's a 25 watt, so it's a little bit bigger. And then this is the one that I've just changed the heater element on. And what I was saying is that one has a slightly different bit on it. It has a split up the middle of it and a spring holder. So yeah, so that used to be my favourite. Then I bought that one. That one's lasted about 5 years, and I have just replaced the heater element. So there is a video on that, replacing the heater element. It's no big deal. Undo that screw, undo that. That bit holds the wire in place, that bit holds the element in place. All slides out from that end. And then the element has 3 prongs on it for the 3 wires on the UK power cables. Live, neutral and earth. So just solder them in place, job done. That element actually cost me about 20 quid. In fact, slightly more than that, because I got a bit confused on the order and I should have had a £2 discount, but I forgot to click the button. And this one has just cost me 28 quid. So this is a complete one, 28 quid. Whereas the element on its own cost me more than 20 quid. So buying that was probably a bargain. Anyway, there we go. I will plug it in and just check it heats up so I can actually melt solder with it. And that will do. Quite a range of replacement bits. Instructions. And a picture. Another little point. This feels like the fairly stiff, PVC cable or whatever. Whereas my last one, it's got nice soft silicone. Colour went funny then, didn't it? What's going on with this camera today? I don't know. Yeah, nice soft silicone. I think this was a refurbished one. Either way, nice soft silicone, lovely. This one, a bit stiffer, so it's going to be a bit of a pain when you're soldering if that tends to leave your arm when you're trying to do it. I don't think it will, but it's just worth mentioning. Stiffer PVC or whatever, whereas the other one's soft silicone. Anyway, I have plugged it in, so I'm not going to get hold of the end of it while it heats up. I will just check it melts solder for me. Focus. Yeah, there we go. So, yeah, it's melting my solder, which is good enough for me for a demonstration for now. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.